Tiny kitchens can feel overwhelming until you discover the right tools. In today's video, you'll see Amazon finds crafted to unlock space you didn't even know you had, turning cramped counters into clean, functional zones that actually inspire you to cook. Before we dive in, tap subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments which gadget solves your biggest kitchen struggle. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Let's transform your small kitchen, one smart upgrade at a time. This two-tier dish rack transforms a tight countertop into an organized vertical setup that instantly clears visual clutter. The upper level keeps plates upright, the lower tray holds bowls and cups, and the utensil caddy keeps everything separated and tidy. Its rotating spout guides water directly into the sink, so the surface stays dry and fresh throughout the day. It installs quickly, feels sturdy, and gives your kitchen a cleaner rhythm from the moment you place it. All of that for just $26.54. Hidden storage often goes to waste, but this organizer set brings structure to those tight cabinet corners. Each piece creates layered space, letting you arrange tall bottles below and lighter items up top, while the side cups hold sponges and brushes without clutter. The smooth snap-on design feels steady and clean once installed, and this entire upgrade for your cabinet comes at just $18.99. Crowded cabinets make it hard to find the bottle you need, but this stackable organizer brings clarity to every shelf. Each compartment is shaped wide and tall to fit those bulky tumblers that never sit right, giving your Stanley, Hydro Flask, or Nalgene a steady home. The three-tier structure lifts every bottle into view, while the clear material blends into any kitchen. It assembles in moments, stays firm under weight, and frees space you never realized you had. Once it's in place, your counter feels lighter, your cabinets breathe, and every drink container finally has order. And bringing that sense of structure to your kitchen comes at just $15.99. A cluttered pantry can drain your energy fast, but this 50-piece container set brings calm to every shelf. Each size gives you space for full meals, leftovers, snacks, sauces, and tiny portions that usually get lost. The crystal-clear design lets you see everything instantly, while the snap-lock lids keep food secure through fridge, freezer, or microwave use. They nest smoothly when empty, stack tightly when filled, and feel sturdy enough for daily rotation without wear. Once arranged, your kitchen gains a cleaner rhythm, and storing meals becomes far easier. And experiencing that level of order costs just $28.99. Kitchens feel instantly lighter when the small essentials finally have a home. And this magnetic spice rack set creates that shift the moment it clicks onto your fridge. Each shelf grips firmly with strong built-in magnets, giving your jars a stable spot right at eye level. The slim profile keeps everything aligned without stealing counter room, turning an unused surface into a practical, elegant storage zone. Spices stay visible, labels face forward, and every seasoning you reach for sits exactly where your hand expects it. Installation is effortless. Attach the strip, slide the rack, and it's ready to hold bottles without wobble. Whether you cook daily or just prep quick meals, the clarity it brings to your kitchen rhythm is unmistakable. And enjoying that kind of tidy accessibility comes for only $15.99. A crowded drawer can slow down even the simplest recipe, but this Acacia organizer brings warmth and order right to your countertop. Its solid wood build feels substantial, and the 4 sections give every spoon, whisk, and spatula a clear place to rest. The slanted opening keeps smaller tools up front so your hand lands on the right piece instantly. Each compartment includes a drying pad that absorbs moisture and keeps utensils fresh throughout the day. Once it's on your counter, cooking gains a calmer flow. And this touch of natural elegance comes for just $37.99. Small kitchens feel bigger when vertical space starts working for you, and this bamboo rack does exactly that. Its 3 tiers hang neatly on the side of your fridge, giving spices, cans, and bottles a clear, elevated home. The baskets arrive pre-assembled, hold impressive weight, and stay steady thanks to the adhesive strip beneath the bar. Setup takes minutes, and once in place, your counter looks cleaner and your cooking rhythm feels smoother. All of this warmth and function comes for just $39.99. Keeping different items in order can feel impossible when everything competes for space, but this rolling drawer cart makes organization feel almost effortless. 10 clear tiers give every category its own spot: cosmetics, craft tools, skincare, office supplies, toys, even seasonal pieces. The wooden top lets you display decor or keep daily essentials within reach, while the transparent drawers help you find exactly what you want without opening each one. Smooth wheels glide through any room, so you can shift your setup from the bedroom to the studio or the home office in seconds. Every drawer holds impressive weight, and the included dividers let you tailor the layout for tiny items that usually get lost. Once assembled, it becomes a quiet anchor in your space, blending storage with a clean, modern look that lifts the entire room. And bringing this level of clarity and mobility into your home costs just $89. Drawers stay cleaner and calmer when every utensil has its own protected space, and this covered organizer does that with a sleek, dust-free design. The clear lid shields your flatware from moisture and debris, while letting you spot what you need in seconds. Inside, 6 divided sections separate knives, forks, spoons, and small tools so nothing shifts or tangles. Its compact shape fits most kitchen drawers, and the lightweight build lets you carry it to picnics, cookouts, or RV trips without worrying about spills made from sturdy, food-grade material. It keeps your tableware safe and ready for everyday use. And this smooth upgrade for your kitchen setup comes for just $19.99. A messy spice cabinet can slow down your entire kitchen flow, but this complete glass jar set brings clarity the moment you start filling each bottle. 48 square containers line up perfectly, giving every herb a clean, matching home that instantly upgrades the look of your shelves. Airtight caps protect aromas so your blends stay vibrant, while the dual inner lid lets you shake or measure without waste. The silicone funnel guides every grain inside smoothly, keeping your counter spotless as you refill. With more than 700 labels, pre-printed, transparent, and customizable, you can name every seasoning in a style that fits your space. Once arranged, ingredients feel easier to reach, cooking becomes smoother, and your cabinet finally feels intentional. And all of this refinement comes for just $32.99. This 3-piece spice box gives your salt, sugar, and seasonings a clean, elegant home. The stainless steel frame keeps everything steady, while the clear containers show your ingredients at a glance. Each lid seals tightly to protect flavor, and the included spoons make every scoop precise. You can place the set horizontally or vertically to save room on the counter. And this refined touch for your kitchen comes for just $35.26. This baker's rack turns an overcrowded corner into a fully equipped station. 4 tiers hold spices, cookware, and appliances, while built-in outlets let your coffee maker or microwave stay plugged in without rearranging the counter. The pegboard adds space for mugs and tools, and the metal frame keeps everything steady. Its warm, rustic finish blends easily into any room. And this upgrade to your kitchen flow can be yours for just $55.99. Fresh produce lasts longer when it has room to breathe, and these bamboo bins create that perfect environment. Ventilated slits keep potatoes, onions, and fruit from trapping moisture, while the smooth, stackable design frees valuable counter and pantry space. The large bin pairs with 2 smaller ones, giving you a flexible setup for snacks, pods, bread, or everyday essentials. Each piece has built-in handles that make lifting easy, even when they're full. Their natural finish brings warmth to any kitchen and adds order without feeling bulky. And this blend of style and function comes for just $41.99. This bamboo shelf lifts your spices to eye level, so nothing gets lost in the back of the cabinet. Its 3 tiers expand to match your space, giving jars, oils, or vitamins a clear, visible layout that instantly cleans up the pantry. The natural bamboo adds warmth while staying sturdy enough for daily use. Setup is simple. Place it horizontally, adjust the width, and your cabinet feels refreshed in seconds. And this smart boost to your kitchen organization comes for just $19.79. A busy home feels smoother when essentials travel with you. And this rolling cart makes that shift instantly. 3 deep tiers hold books, craft tools, pantry items, nursery supplies, or kitchen staples without taking over your floor. The metal frame feels solid, while the smooth wheels, too lockable, let you glide it from room to room or keep it steady when you need it anchored. Each shelf supports impressive weight, and the handle helps you steer it effortlessly. Once assembled, it becomes a reliable companion for work, hobbies, and daily routines, and creating that mobile, organized comfort costs just $28.48. A cluttered knife drawer slows you down, but this Acacia magnetic strip gives your tools a clean, elevated home the moment it goes on the wall. 2 rows of strong magnets run through the entire bar, gripping even heavy blades with steady force while keeping edges protected and visible. The curved design adds a warm, modern touch, turning your utensils into a display instead of hidden clutter. Its extended length holds multiple gadgets within reach, freeing drawer space and opening up your counter. You can mount it with screws or adhesive, depending on your surface and layout. And bringing this blend of style and practicality into your kitchen comes for just $29.99. A crowded kitchen feels instantly more capable with this rolling island at the center. The wide countertop gives you room to prep, while 2 cabinets and 2 drawers keep cookware, towels, utensils, and spices neatly stored and always within reach. The drop leaf section lifts smoothly to create even more workspace, perfect for hosting or plating meals. Built-in outlets power your appliances and keep devices charged as you cook. Sturdy locking wheels keep the island steady or let you move it wherever it serves you best. And bringing this level of flexibility to your kitchen comes for just $259.99. A drink instantly feels more refreshing when it's served in something beautiful, and this square glass pitcher set brings that elegance straight to your fridge. The vertical stripes add a refined vintage touch, while the square shape saves space and slides neatly beside your groceries. Made from durable borosilicate glass, each pitcher handles boiling brews or ice-cold infusions without cracking, staining, or affecting flavor. The stainless steel lid turns with a smooth click. One side strains fruit and tea leaves, the other pours freely for quick refills. With generous capacity, these pitchers serve guests effortlessly, whether you're offering iced coffee, citrus water, fresh juice, or hot tea. Their clarity highlights every color and garnish, turning simple drinks into something special. Arriving in a gift-ready box and backed by a lifetime replacement guarantee, they bring confidence and charm to every table. And this touch of everyday luxury is yours for just $33.99. Container lids are always the first thing to create chaos, but this expandable organizer brings calm the moment it enters your cabinet. It stretches wide to match your space, lifting every lid into a clear vertical row so you can spot the right size without shuffling through stacks. 8 tall dividers adjust to fit any shape: round, square, clip lock, holding each piece firmly upright. Built-in handles let you slide the whole organizer forward for a closer look, turning a cluttered drawer into an easy, fluid system. Setup takes seconds. Place the dividers, expand the frame, and load your collection. The sturdy BPA-free plastic cleans easily and fits inside cabinets, deep drawers, or pantry shelves without crowding them. Once it's in place, meal prep feels smoother and cleanup becomes less of a chore. And this simple shift toward clarity and order comes for just $29.99. Wet countertops disappear from your routine once this Diatomite sink caddy settles beside your faucet. The stone surface drinks up water in seconds, leaving soaps, sponges, and brushes dry instead of sitting in puddles. Raised on stainless steel feet with non-slip pads, it stays firmly in place while giving everything a cleaner lift. Its compact shape fits perfectly along the sink edge, and the modern dark gray design blends into any kitchen or bathroom with quiet elegance. You can use it for soap, kitchen tools, or even small bottles that tend to leave marks behind. Made from sustainable diatomaceous earth, it renews itself with every drop it absorbs and keeps your space looking cared for. And adding this sleek, low-maintenance upgrade to your sink area costs just $9.99. Crowded cabinets instantly feel lighter with this expandable shelf. Its metal frame adjusts in length and height, letting you build the layout your space has been missing. Stack the tiers, nest them, or angle them into an L shape to fit jars, cans, bowls, or plates with a clear view of everything. The coated steel stays sturdy and resists rust, while the slatted design adds ventilation above and below assembly takes only a few screws. And giving your kitchen this flexible order costs just $25.99. Cluttered cabinets gain instant clarity with this transparent shelf set. Each piece arrives ready to use, giving your spices, jars, plates, or cups a raised layout that opens vertical space without assembly. The pet build feels solid, supporting heavier items without bending, while the two sizes let you nest, separate, or angle them into an L shape to fit your layout. Cleanup takes a quick wipe. And bringing this clear, structured order to your kitchen costs just $29.99. Busy kitchens feel calmer when every roll and jar has a set place, and this bamboo dispenser brings that order straight to your wall. It lifts paper towels off the counter to free working space, while the top shelf keeps spices lined up within easy reach. Two built-in cutters glide cleanly across foil, parchment, wax paper, or cling wrap without tearing or bunching, giving you smooth, precise sheets. Every time designed for rolls up to 12 inches, it mounts on the wall or sits on the counter for quick access during meal prep. The bamboo frame adds warmth, blends with any decor, and feels sturdy once assembled. In just a few minutes, your wraps, towels, and spices fall into a simple, efficient rhythm that saves space and cuts down clutter. And adding this smart upgrade to your kitchen setup comes for just $24.99. Deep cabinets stop being a source of frustration the moment this pull-out organizer slides into place. Its chrome-finished frame resists scratches and rust, giving you a sturdy system that looks clean inside any cupboard. The lower tier holds pots and pans, while the upper rack sorts lids so every piece finally has a clear, reachable spot. Built with smooth ball-bearing glides, the drawer extends fully, letting you grab cookware without crouching, digging, or reshuffling stacks. Installation takes only a few screws, and once mounted, it transforms unused space into a streamlined station that keeps your kitchen running efficiently. The structure feels solid, the welds stay firm, and the tray moves with quiet precision every time you pull it out. And bringing this level of order and comfort to your daily cooking routine comes for just $69.99. A busy kitchen feels instantly more composed with this tall pantry cabinet standing against the wall. 6 enclosed compartments, a door shelf, and adjustable tiers give every appliance, snack, and dinner essential a dedicated home, keeping clutter out of sight and your routine flowing smoothly. The center shelf holds a microwave or coffee maker with room to prep, and a rear opening manages cables so everything stays neat. Its slim profile fits tight spaces while offering surprising depth for cookware and pantry goods. The structure feels steady once secured to the wall, and the clean white finish blends into modern dining rooms or compact kitchens with ease. With numbered parts and clear instructions, assembly is straightforward, and bringing this generous, streamlined storage to your home comes for just $166.58.